So students, now today we are going to see chapter number 6, triangle. In the previous video we have seen the basics of triangle, but here we are going to discuss about the theorems. Okay, one by one we will complete the theorem from particular triangles, and the first theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem, that we are going to discuss it here. The basic proportionality theorem says if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, so this is a particular statement. पूरा इसको आत्मसात कर लो, रिवाइज कर लो अच्छे से और अच्छे से अपने दिमाग में बैठा दो, because this is very important, okay, and very easy also. This is a basic proportionality theorem. Now what particular line statement says? If a line segment or line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, let us draw one triangle. एक triangle draw कर देता हूँ मैं. This is one triangle. Okay, let us say A, B and C. A line drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect. अब one side, a line drawn parallel to ये ऐसे DE. Let us say this is DE. एक ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. So after drawing DE, they said that parallel to one side of triangle, it may be any side. Okay, it can. मुझको ये easy लगती है. I find this easy, so I am taking this parallel to this. Correct? But you can take it like this also, parallel to this side. यहाँ से एक line draw करके AC को parallel ले सकते हैं. In the same way, you can draw a line in this way parallel to AB. In any way, I find this easy, so I am taking this. So DE parallel to BC to intersect the other two sides in distinct point. These are the two distinct points. The other two sides are divided in the same. Now this what does this line say? The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. The other two sides, this side and this sides, are divided into the same ratio. What does it mean? Same ratio means this AD upon DB must be equals to AE upon EC. This. So we have to prove this. Correct? So now, given DE is parallel to BC, and we have to prove that AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. AE upon EC. This we have to prove. AD, DB, AE, EC. The two sides are divided in the same ratio. ये दो sides जो है वो एक ही ratio में divide हुई है. That we have to tell. So this is to prove. Now we have to do a construction, and we have to see how we are going to solve this. And one more property we are going to use it here in this particular theorem, that we have learned in 9th standard, that if two triangles are on the same base and between the same parallel, then their areas are equal. Okay, this property is going to be used there. So we have to do a construction. Now see how we will do a construction. The construction will be join this line BC and BE. Okay, I will write it here. Join DC and BE. Also draw a perpendicular. Correct? E से मैं एक perpendicular draw कर लेता हूँ. Let us say M, and D से एक perpendicular draw कर लेता हूँ. Let us say N. So perpendicular. This is of 90 degree. So I will write here also draw EM perpendicular to AD and DN perpendicular to AE. देखो EM AD को perpendicular, DN AE को perpendicular. So we have drawn that and we have done the construction. Now for the solution, for the proof, what we have to focus now. अब हम फोकस क्या पे करेंगे, what we have to go AD upon DB AE upon EC, इस पे फोकस करना है. अपने कंस्ट्रक्शन कर लिया है और कंस्ट्रक्शन भी इस तरीके से किया है कि वी कैन टेक दिस AD upon DB. अब AD upon DB ये दो साइड हमारे को रिलेशन में लाने हैं एक दूसरे के, है ना. वी हैव टू ब्रिंग देम इनटू अ रिलेशन. रिलेशन मतलब वो वाला नहीं, दिस इज अ डिफरेंट रिलेशन. सो यू कैन से दैट AD upon DB. तो AD और DB का रिलेशन आना चाहिए, इसीलिए वी विल कंसिडर देयर फैमिली. मीन्स AD की फैमिली कौन होगी, ADA ट्राइंगल. सो कंसिडर ट्राइंगल ADE एंड ट्राइंगल. अब DE की फैमिली कौन सी होगी, DEB. DEB, correct. So we have considered these two triangle ADE and DBE, so that we will get AD and DB also. We can write this as DBE. Okay, so we can get DB also. कैसा भी लिखा तो कोई problem. So we want AD and DB, so we have taken the two triangles. Now we will take the areas of that. So area of triangle ADE is equals to, अब एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल क्या होता है, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट. सो हाफ इनटू बेस, व्हाट इज द बेस, ADE ले रहे हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. वी आर कंसीडरिंग ADE. तो ADE में ये ट्रायंगल है, सपोज दिस इज अ ट्रायंगल ADE. वी हैव इन ADE दिस विल बी द परपेंडिकुलर एंड दिस विल बी द बेस. ये बेस रहेगा जिसके ऊपर हाइट आई हुई है. परपेंडिकुलर को वी कैन से हाइट आल्सो. सो दिस इज height. ED is the height and AD is the base. So we can write it here. Half into base. What is base? AD. AD into height. What is height? Height is EM. EM is the height. Upon. That means we are going to divide it by another triangle. कौन सा है? DBE. Area of triangle DBE is equals to half into base. DBE का base कौन सा होगा? DBE, correct. Height, that will be same. This DEM, EM will be the height, क्योंकि यही पूरा ट्रायंगल डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So this will be the height M, okay. And base is DB and height is EM. So we will take that half into base. DBE का base, DBE का base DB into height EM. Correct. So from this we can get, this will get cancelled. Which one? EM or EM equal है, half and half equal है. So therefore what we are going to get? We are going to get area of ADE upon area of DBE equals to AD upon DB. We can say this as equation number 1. This will be called as equation number 1. It's बहुत important है. Then we'll go to the next part and we'll try to complete that as early as possible now. So now consider, अब ऐसे ही हमको किसका रिलेशन बनाना है, AE और EC, इन दोनों की शादी लगानी है हमने. So AE upon EC के लिए we have to take AE की फैमिली. Which is the family of AE? AE की फैमिली है ADE and EC की फैमिली है DEC. So we will consider that triangle ADE and is that DEC. DEC, correct. So we are taking that DEC. So area of ADE is equals to half into base. ADE का base, अब ये height होगी इसका और ये base होगा. AE base into height DN. So DN upon सेकेंड एरिया कंसिडर कर रहे हैं हम लोग DEC. DEC is equals to half into base. Again DEC का base EC into height DN as it is. So therefore what are the things going to be cancelled here? Here DN same है, cancel हो जाएगा, half cancel हो जाएगा. So what we left? We left with area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DEC is equals to AE upon EC. This is your equation number 2. Okay, so from 1 and 2 we can see AD upon DB और AE upon EC, ये दोनों तो आ गए, बट हमको ये इक्वल भी बताने, करेक्ट. सो AD upon DB और AE upon EC को इक्वल तभी बता सकते हैं व्हेन देयर LHS विल बी सेम. ये LHS सेम होनी चाहिए. ADE DEC ADE DBE है ये अगर DEC होता तो काम बन सकता था हमारा, बट ये DEC नहीं है, ये DBE है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी हैव टू मेक दिस सेम. एरिया ऑफ ADE बराबर DBE DEC, ये दोनों अलग है. तो वी विल कंसीडर दैट पर्टिकुलर ट्रायंगल. उनकी तरफ जाते वी विल सी देम. और यही लोग दोनों शादी तोड़ने वाले हैं इन दोनों की. सो वी हैव टू मेक देम राजी. सो DBE एंड DEC. सो DBE, दिस इज अ पर्टिकुलर ट्रायंगल. देखो this particular DBE is one and DEC is another one, that is this DE and C. So ये दो ट्रायंगल को इक्वल बताना है. And as I told you in the starting of the particular video, that if the two triangles are in on the same base and between the same parallel, then their areas are equal. तो ये देखो DE parallel to BC already है, and this is one triangle, this is the another triangle. तो ये दो triangle है, ये ऐसे they are on the same base. This is triangle, this is another triangle, और ये parallel भी है. They are on the same base and between the same parallel. So therefore they will be equal. और ये equal हो गया, तो therefore AD upon DB और AE upon EC equal हो जाएगा. So we can write it since area of triangle DBE is equals to area of triangle DEC. The reason is, you can write the reason, on the same base and between same parallel. You can write that, which implies AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. So hence we have proved that they are equal, and we have shown the basic proportionality theorem. Hope you understand this. Do see this video properly and understand it. If difficulties are there, you can comment.